Here's a private jet lining up right over there. And we have construction vehicles. There's a $2 billion something construction project going on in Cleveland, so I think that's that. Here's the whole airport, the construction. Air Canada, right there, going to Toronto. Typical. Zoom in on that, full zoom. This camera's blurry, we need a new camera. Though. I hear some. Oh, that's just a train. Oh, yeah, there's the Frontier behind him. Hey. I can't see. What? Is that a wolf in the back? I think it's my favorite animal. He wolf. Oh, those. Oh, I think those are the two penguins. Oh no, there's somebody that's trying to get him there. They're probably waiting for him to pass. Yeah, that's the, what's it called? Oh, I can't talk. Penguin livery. And out of that plane past the Air Canada's lining up. I want to go to Canada. And the Frontier is right behind it. Full zoom. Oh, there he goes. Still didn't take off. Oh, there we go. And we have the Frontier lining up. He's going to Tampa, and it is the, oh, we have a United 737 back there. Going to sneak around in the back of the airport. There goes the Frontier. There he goes. And we have a United 737 lining up.
Along with hundreds of other creators are launching Team C's. And for every $1 you guys donate like this, one less pound of trash will be in the ocean.
But what if I wanted to donate $10, Jimmy?
I conveniently have 10 pounds of trash right here that is now out of the ocean.
Boom, gone.
You get the point. $1 donated is one less pound of trash in the ocean.
And I'd like to personally thank YouTube Originals for supporting Team C's and helping us fund it. They're going to be matching the first $400,000 worth of donations, dollar for dollar.
And we want to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the ocean.
Which is just so freaking audacious. This only happens if we all work together.
Half the money we raise is going towards funding volunteer beach cleanups like we did here today all across the world, as well as literally fishing trash out of the ocean.
And the other half will be used for these trash-eating robots that pick up trash 24 hours a day, 365 days a year from rivers that flow to the ocean.
Go to teamseas.org or click the donate button below this video right now. $1 equals one less pound of trash in the ocean.
Making real change like this isn't going to be easy. Go donate right now and help us remove.
And we have the 737 going out to Chicago and a Delta connection. I think that's what you call it. Right there at Briere. Lining up behind the United. That is the 737-800, not the Max. White over there. Look at that. And there she goes. And the Delta. Delta to Minneapolis right there. She's waiting on the runway. I think he'll be taxiing by now, but no, he isn't, okay. I think he actually is waiting for the one over there on approach. You can see the light. Yeah, he's definitely waiting. Oh no, he's going. And we have oh, never mind, we got one right here already. Oh, he's going. Yeah, that was dude, I can't see, these trees are in the way. Why is it so blurry? I don't know. Let's just keep it like this. Oh, now now he's going. And that other one is already getting real close. Still holding? Oh yeah, because we gotta wait for that guy over there at the end of the runway. It gets blurry every time I zoom, which is weird. I'm gonna try to clean the camera and go zoom mode when the plane lands. Zoom in on it. Let's try zoom real slow here. Slow is all I do. It's so weird. And he's up. Coming down right now. Southwest. Full zoom in. And there's the American that landed. Oh, buttered. He buttered that. That was butter. Good job. That was smooth, I gotta tell you. Another Southwest 737. The other one just landed. And we got another one. I think the other pilot saw that there's a plane spotter at the runway, so he read that the one in the back over there. So he tried to land smooth. Oh, that was not bad too. I mean, I think he bounced a bit. Still not bad. Pretty cool. There's the other one. Not bad. Any other planes? We have the United Airlines from Chicago. Oh, there he is. He's coming in from Chicago O'Hare. Oh, not bad. Move up here. Not bad. Pretty smooth. So far, all the pilots here have been pretty smooth. The Southwest right there, the second Southwest there, and the American over here. I mean United. I don't know what I'm saying. And we have a Delta A321 1 mile out. Ooh, look at that! Awesome shot of MD-11 over there from UPS. Probably one of my favorites. That comes to, yeah, that one is my favorite plane that comes to this airport. In terms of livery, like the livery is not bad, but the livery on that plane looks really good. But I do like Frontier. That's my favorite airline. I wish Cargo Lux would fly here. And some airline with an A350. And that's my favorite plane overall. The airport. And here comes the A321. Oh, there he is. Zoomed out. He'll appear from these trees in 3, 2, 2.5. I don't know, 1.5. Yeah, there we go. That was weird. He's a bit high, I think, but what was I recording? There he is. Well, he bounced a bit. another Delta coming in, but it's a CRJ. He's over here somewhere. Here we have a United 737 out to Chicago O'Hare, like usual. And a Delta coming in, and we have a Frontier also over there, which was what was that Frontier that took off? The second plane, what? Because the Penguin one that was at our airport is still at the gate. It just pushed back. So what was that? I'm not confused. There's the 737. We're gonna do a zoomed in shot of this CRJ that's coming down wherever he is. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. There's the A321 right there. Classic IX center on the back. And he should be coming down right about there he is. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Cars are honking. He just landed. Any other planes? We have an Embraer with a white radome. The front of the plane is it's called a radome. And yeah, it's painted white. Like back then they had black. That's why I thought it looks like a retro livery or something. And over there, off in the distance, we have a plane I'm waiting for. No one is on that plane that I know. It's a Frontier with the livery of wolves. So yeah. I'm excited, and let's wait for this radomed Embraer to take off. Here we have the Embraer taking off. And right over there is an Allegiant flying. He's after the Frontier. There she goes. Okay, stop looking at the sky and look at the planes. He's up. Bon voyage. And we got the 737 now. Southwest. An airline that owns a hub here is United, so I was expecting way more United. American airline pilots are friendly. I got 3 to wave to me. Here he comes. First time seeing a Frontier with a wolf livery. He is about, it says 30 seconds out. And I see, ooh, I'm excited. I get excited over little things like this. Like a simple wolf livery. It's a wolf and a baby. I don't know the exact name. Hold on, let me check. Be right back. Luna and Lily are the names. They named their planes and wolves and animals. Luna and Lily, the two wolves. There's an adult and a baby. I want to get a picture of this. Hey! Oh, I can see it. Hey, there we go. Great wolf. Or timber wolf. Same thing. And it's an A321. That's just luck. Oh, come on, butter it. Oh, not bad. The left wheel a little bit, but it's fine. Now, oh, look at that picture. I keep looking at that giant MD-11 over there. Yay, he's here. And we have an Allegiant coming in. There's a bird over the runway. Bruh, move. There's a Allegiant there coming in. You don't want to get hit by that. Objective survival, none for that bird. I think he landed somewhere now. Oh, we got a private jet getting ready to take off. And this is gonna be our last plane right here. Let's do full zoom. Actually, no, zoom out. We did full zoom the whole time. Zoom out. See what they wave. Hello, I'm waving to you. Hoping the pilot will fly. Maybe they will not. Why am I trying to get him to wave? I don't know. Oh, they cut out there. Nice. And we have this one getting ready for takeoff. And this will be our last plane. The bird is still there. Get out of the way. Oh, there's two birds in a Frontier. That's Luna and Lily over there in the back. Up and, oh, we have a south. Fine, we'll get that one. Then we'll go. Yep, he's taking off. Big one next. We got a Allegiant over there in the back. This one. And this one. Oh no! Oh, there's a bird! Oh, why are there so many birds today? We have one on the run. Oh, they're going on the runway. Oh! They're high, for sure. The birds. Now they're all along that fence, acting like good boys, and they almost tripped. The Delta, A321. It says the only plane taking off is a Delta private, so this could be a private charter. Well, I don't know if we would charge it to charter an A321. That's their problem. Open! Yep, they got a failure. Oh no, birds. Either way, huh? What are they doing? Are they high on crack or something? Think so. Yeah, could have been injured. Yeah. Water. Well, he's heading back to the gate. I don't know what happened. The runway seems to work. Or the runway switch. I did see one bird hanging around the runway. And here we have a CRJ to Detroit. There was some A319 that turned around and went back to the gate. It's either... What does that sound? It's either a Karen on board that plane or... No, probably the one... See that bird right there? He does not want to go. Am I the only one that sees this? Okay, that's only me. And their generator broke over here. Spirit, he's landing. I want to know where that A321 went. Planes don't vanish like that. That plane just vanished like that. Night, yeah, nice. Is your all day? CRJ goes up, and the Spirit comes down. Oh, more birds. And here we have a Spirit from, brain fart, from New Orleans. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Get that camera away. We'll give it on him when he comes in. And there's still an MD-11 over here that I keep looking at. It's like a big plane. It's so cool. Stop looking at it. Look at it like every 5 seconds. Let's do a zoomed in this one. Zoomed in video. That generator is still broken. Here he comes from the trees. Right. Hope you see the lights. There he is. He got the landing lights on this time. They're blurry. Ooh, he flared. Actually, no, it's too early for a flare. Let's start somewhere. There he goes. Let's see, will he butter this? That is the real question. I mean, landing. Not a butter, but not a hard one. Same wasn't that bad. And then we have a American Airlines 737 coming in for Charlotte. Sounded like his engine died at the end there. And this one will be zoomed out, and this is actually the last flight of the day. It's already been called outside and it's nighttime. Oh, that's a nice sunset, look at that. With an MD-11. It's cool. And we have a 737 from Charlotte. The American Airlines hub. But their 737 then I like that. That's a good one. Oh, he buttered that. He really did that. That was a good one. And the whole airport, it's awesome here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. And hold on to do the outro. It's always in right here. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. And if you want to see what I think happened on that Delta, check out the next video. I made a sketch about it. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed and see you later.